Today we're going to be taking a look inside this hobby kit. This is the My First Crochet kit. So we're going to look inside and take a peek at all the goodies that you have to look forward to arriving when you order one of these kits. So this has a lot of fun in here, and this is a pretty big box. It is wide and full of tons of goodies in here. Even if you just started crocheting, as this is a My First Crochet kit, but even if you already know how to crochet, there's a lot of really handy things in here and really fun things that really any crochet artist would absolutely love to get this box. So let's take a peek at what comes inside. So even as you first open this, there's already some really cool stuff in here. You have this QR code that has a link to free video courses. So this kit not only comes with all these physical items, but there is some really cool virtual aspects to it as well. And of course, if you like this box, you can always leave a review and leave pictures of your amazing projects with this kit too. So don't forget about that QR code. So there's some really cool things in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and then we can take a closer look at everything. Okay, the very first thing is this super cute tote bag. This is adorable. I'm going to take this out of the package so you can see it even better. So when you order this kit, you get this really amazing crochet themed tote bag. This is a really great quality bag, and it's so cute. Everyone will know that you love crocheting just by looking at this bag. That will last you a really long time. This is made with really high quality material. It's a perfect size for taking all your stuff on the go. You could put projects in here, or even just when you go grocery shopping. So next we have the amazing crochet yarn and hooks come in here. That is such a beautiful sight. I love this kit for multiple reasons. One of those reasons is because it comes with a ton of variety. This is one of the ways that you're gonna see that variety. You have multiple colors of variegated yarn as well as solid color yarn, so you have a lot of options that you can use for your different projects. I'm going to take these out of the plastic so you can see them even better. So now that they're out of the plastic, you can see these yarns are so beautiful. They're super soft and great quality. So as you can see on the back, these are 4-ply yarns, 100% acrylic, and the care instructions are listed right there as well. Each ball comes with about 55 yards, so there's plenty in there to make some really amazing projects. And I just love how much thought went into these kits, where you have colors that match so perfectly and you can make really amazing projects with all of these yarns. There's plenty in here. And of course, when you're working with yarn, you're gonna need crochet hooks. So there's this wonderful toolkit that's in here, and this is gonna be perfect for any crocheter from a beginner to a pro. You have crochet hooks in here that any crocheter will need to use, and these are amazing. There's all sorts of sizes in here. You have all the way from a 2mm hook to a 6mm, and there are plenty of sizes in between. So you get a lot of really fun things in here. You also have your snippers that are gonna come in handy in every single project because you're gonna need something to cut the yarn. And we have this little pouch full of goodies. So you have yarn needles in here. Here's another example of the different varieties in this kit. There are different sizes of yarn needles in here as well as multiples. So you don't have to worry if you lose one, there are plenty in here. There are tons of amazing little trinkets in here as well that'll come in so handy. We have measuring tape, yarn needles in plastic, stitch markers, all sorts of fun things in here. Again, this kit comes with so many options and varieties. You can see that again with the hooks. There's so many different sizes in here, which are great for doing different types of projects and just learning what a hook size goes best for you. And last but certainly not least, you have the polyester Fiberfill. This is premium polyester Fiberfill with high elasticity. It's fluffy, washable, and hypoallergenic. This is actually really fun to use. Once you open this up, this bag expands, and it's perfect for making all your amigurumi projects, because when you are crocheting stuffed animals or amigurumis, you're gonna need some Fiberfill to fill them. And this is one of the softest Fiberfills ever. It is really perfect and it's so fluffy like clouds. So here's what this Fiberfill looks like. It is super fluffy, and this bag will expand as soon as you let some air in it, as soon as you cut the bag open. This is going to be super handy and it'll be your best friend for quite some time. You can get quite a few amigurumis filled with that. As you can see, there is so much that comes to this kit. It is full of things that any crocheter would love to have. This is perfect for any crocheter from beginner to experienced. It has so much variety. Each yarn is super beautiful, wonderful quality, and anyone would absolutely love to have this kit. So these are just some of the things that you can look forward to when ordering a hobby kit. You have so many options. There's a lot of different really fun things in here. So you have a variety of stitch markers. You can decide what you prefer to use. These are going to come in so handy so you don't lose your place while you're crocheting a project. Not only did you get those snippers that come in the toolkit, but you also have this ring right here that you can use and easily cut your yarn as you're crocheting. So you can just wear that and make snipping your yarn a lot of fun. And then again, we have a really cool variety, because not only did you get these that come in the toolkit, but you also have plastic needles. So you get to try them both out, see what you like, and there's different sizes for both the plastic needles and the metal needles. So there's so much variety in here. You have your measuring tape, which is going to come in super handy for all sorts of projects. It's really great to keep in your toolkit. And there's so much more. We even have safety eyes in here. So you can make your amigurumi, your stuffed animal projects, and you already have the safety eyes in here, as well as the embroidery thread that you can use if you're putting little smiles on your plushies. So you have the safety eyes as well as the backings that attach the safety eyes and keep them nice and safe when you're crocheting those stuffed animals. Not only do you get the physical, but you also get those videos on how to crochet different projects, as well as tips and tricks in different technique videos. I absolutely love this crochet kit, and I know you will as well.